Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we shall continue grammar for class 6th, 7th and 8th. It's English grammar. I'm your teacher Shabir Ahmed Loon. Now as you know, in the previous couple of lectures we have been studying direct and indirect speech, in which we were dealing with the rules for changing tense of the reported speech. तो इसमें जो रूल्स जो है टेंस ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को चेंज करने के लिए जो रूल ज़रूरत पड़ते हैं, जो रूल्स का हमें फॉलो करना पड़ता है, वो हम देख रहे थे. तो द बेसिक रूल हियर we have been studying is if the reporting verb is in the present in past tense, the tense of the reported speech remains reported speech changes into the corresponding past. तो पहला रूल बेसिक रूल ये था कि if the tense of the reporting verb is present or future, यानी if the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged. पहला रूल ये था, बेसिक रूल. दूसरा बेसिक रूल ये है if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech changes into the corresponding past. यानी corresponding past का मतलब ये है कि हमने रूल 1 में ये देखा if it is a simple present is changed to simple past. रूल 2 में देखा present continuous change to past continuous. रूल 3 में देखा present perfect change to past perfect and likewise. So in today's rule, that's rule number 5, rule 5, we will see past indefinite or past simple changes into past perfect tense. Let us see how. यानी अगर reported speech में past indefinite है या simple past जिसको बोलते हैं, तो वो किस में change होगा? The past perfect में वो change होगा. Let us see how. Now first example is डायरेक्ट में है मुस्कान said I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter यानी I wrote a letter, ये past indefinite है. So Muskan said, it's in the reporting verb is in the past tense. Reported speech is also in the past, simple past tense, past indefinite जिसको बोलते हैं. I wrote a letter. It will change like this. Muskan said that she had written a letter. That she had written a letter. Now this had written a letter, it's past perfect tense. So we came to know that if the reported speech here it was in the past or indefinite tense, we changed it into the past perfect tense. Okay, now move on to the next example. Example 2 is the teacher said to the student, I checked your notebook. Yeah, I checked your homework. The teacher said to the student, the teacher said to the student, I checked your homework. मैंने आपकी homework check की. Now this will change like this. The teacher, चूंकि यहाँ पे said to है, said to is usually changed into told. ठीक है. The teacher told the student that he here means I, जो यहाँ पे I teacher, मैं टीचर कह रहा था मैंने चेक की, तो हम ये कहेंगे that he, कि उसने चेक की, that he had checked their homework, यानी उसने, हाँ चूंकि यहाँ पे हाँ एक गलती यहाँ पे देख लीजिए. द टीचर सेड टू द स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे एक स्टूडेंट है तो यहाँ पे डियर नहीं हिज होमवर्क आएगा या हर होमवर्क आएगा. या ये लड़का है तो हिज होमवर्क, या ये लड़की है तो हर होमवर्क आएगा. अब यहाँ पे अगर स्टूडेंट्स होता तो फिर डियर होमवर्क ठीक था. तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? द टीचर टोल्ड द स्टूडेंट दैट ही हैड चेक्ड हिज होमवर्क. ओके ओके. Now another rule is past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Let us see how. Ravi said, I was eating a mango. Ravi ने कहा कि मैं मैंगो खा रहा था. मैं मैंगो खा रहा था. Now ये जो है this is past continuous tense. Ravi said, I was eating a mango. मैं आम खा रहा था. Now Ravi said that he had been eating a mango. He had been eating a mango. ये had been eating जो है this is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense that he had been eating a mango. यहाँ पे देखिए फिर से past continuous changes into past perfect continuous tense. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे he had been eating a mango आएगा. चलिए example number 2. My father said it was raining. My father said it was raining. Now understand, इसको कभी raining नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए because there is rain is another word, that's R-A-N, rain. So it's not ran, it's rain. It was raining. It was not raining, it was raining. So my father said it was raining. मेरे बाप ने कहा कि बारिश हो रही थी. ठीक है, it will change like this. My father said that it had been raining. It had been raining. मेरे बाप ने कहा कि बारिश हो रही थी. It had been raining. Now rule 7 क्या है? If the past perfect tense remains unchanged. Past perfect tense unchanged रहता है, इसको कोई चेंज नहीं हो जाएगी. Let us see. My father said I have seen the Taj Mahal. My father said I have seen the Taj Mahal. ठीक है, ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. My father said that pronouns change होंगे definitely. My father said that he had seen the Taj Mahal. ठीक है, इसी तरह रहेगा. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देखिए. My sister said I have never eaten a burger. My sister said I had never eaten a burger. मेरी सिस्टर ने कहा कि मैंने बर्गर कभी नहीं खाया था. I had never eaten a burger. तो इसमें क्या आएगा? My sister said that she had never eaten a burger. उसने कभी बर्गर नहीं खाया था. Okay. Another rule is rule 8. Past perfect continuous tense change remains unchanged. जिस तरह past perfect unchanged रहता है, इसी तरह past perfect continuous tense भी change नहीं होता. It also remains unchanged. Like this. She said I had been playing for 2 hours. मैं पिछले 2 घंटों से पढ़ रही थी उस टाइम. When someone came, when my papa called me or when my mom called me, I had been playing for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटों से खेल रही थी. So ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. She said that she had been playing for 2 hours. She had been playing for 2 hours. Okay, let's look at the example. Another example. The poor man said, गरीब आदमी ने कहा, I had been working since my childhood. मैं बचपन से काम कर रहा हूँ. I had been working, काम कर रहा था. I had been working since my childhood. I had been working since my childhood. तो इसको ऐसे चेंज हो जाएगा. The poor man said that he had been working since his childhood. My childhood नहीं आएगा. My childhood उस poor man ने कहा है. हम my childhood नहीं कहेंगे, हम his childhood कहेंगे, क्योंकि हम रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उसकी बात को, हम अपनी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, ओके. So it will go like this. The poor man said that he had been working since his childhood. Okay. Rule 9 है in future simple. Future simple में क्या होता है? Future tense में क्या होता है? Will is changed to would. Will is changed into would. ये simply past में हो जाएगा. Will past tense बन जाएगा, would हो जाएगा ये. Let's look at examples. My father said I will buy you a computer. My father said I will buy you a computer. इसमें क्या आएगा? My father said that he would buy. Will buy की जगह would buy आएगा. He would buy me a computer, क्योंकि उसने मुझसे कहा है कि वो मुझे कंप्यूटर लाएगा, तो हम कहेंगे he would buy me a computer. ठीक है. Another example देखिए. The waiter said I shall work in a hotel. The waiter said I shall work in a hotel. Remember, never say hotel. It's hotel. So the waiter said I shall work in a hotel. ठीक है. Shall will change into would. Should rather. The waiter said that he should work in a hotel. He should work in a hotel. Shall को should बन जाएगा, will को would बन जाएगा. Another example is rule 10 क्या है देखिए. Rule 10 is in future continuous tense will be is changed into would be. जिस तरह will को would बनाया, shall को should बनाया, इसी तरह will, would, shall, should ऐसे ही रहेगा. be को साथ लगाना है तो ये continuous tense बन जाता है. future continuous. यहाँ देखिए कैसे है एग्जाम्पल. Faizan said I'll be doing my homework. I will be doing my homework. डूइंग ऐसे ही रहेगा क्योंकि कंटिन्यूस है, कंटिन्यूस ही रहेगा, बस विल को वुड बनाना है, इतना काम करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. फैजान सेड दैट ही वुड बी डूइंग हिज होमवर्क. ही वुड बी डूइंग हिज होमवर्क. ही स्टैंड्स फॉर फैजान एंड हिज स्टैंड्स फॉर फैजान. ठीक है, ओके. ही स्टैंड्स फॉर फैजान. सो फैजान सेड दैट ही वुड बी डूइंग हिज होमवर्क. एग्जाम्पल 2. The ant said, look here, it's ant, A-N-T, ant. Another word is there, A-U-N-T, that's aunt. That's aunt and this is ant. The ant said, I'll be very pleased. मैं बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगी. Ant ने कहा, चींटी ने कहा, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगी. The ant said, I'll be very pleased. The ant said that she would be very pleased. She would be very pleased. कि वो बहुत खुश हो जाएगी. She would be very pleased. तो यहाँ पे इसको will be को would be change हो जाएगा. ओके. रूल 11 देखिए. In future perfect, will have is changed to would have. Will have is changed into would have. Will को would have को have ही रहने देंगे. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल देखिए. Ria said, I will have gone to market. I will have gone to the market. मैं बाजार गई होंगी. I will have gone to market. ठीक है. अब कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा. Ria said that she would have gone to the market. She would have gone to the market. Will को would बना दीजिए. Have gone, had gone ऐसे ही रहेगा. Have gone ऐसे ही रहेगा. इसी तरह the carpenter said, I will have finished my work. I will have finished my work. ठीक है. The carpenter said, I will have finished my work. ठीक है. The carpenter said that he would have finished his work. He would have finished his work. His stands for the carpenter and he stands for the carpenter again. So the carpenter said that he would have finished his work. Okay, that was all for today. Hope you will be fine in future, inshallah. Subscribe to my channel for latest new videos on various subjects.